Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming model and charge. Noise canceling is only on Pro and Max models, so check that first. Once done, make sure your iPhone or iPad has Bluetooth enabled and is updated, then open the case near the device to trigger pairing. You tap Connect when prompted, and importantly, allow any permission prompts. This establishes the audio route. Make sure both buds show as connected in Settings Bluetooth. This initial connection is why the later controls appear and work. Now you enable active noise cancellation. You go to Settings, tap Bluetooth, then the information icon next to your Airpods to open noise control. From here, you choose noise cancellation to block ambient sound or transparency if you want to hear surroundings. This choice matters because one prioritizes isolation, the other awareness. Make sure to test both while wearing them. Small adjustments to fit and seal affect ANC effectiveness. You can also add noise control to Control Center for quick access, which speeds future switching. Finish by verifying ANC performance in real-world scenarios. Noisy street, office, and quiet room, because fit and seal are why ANC works well. If cancellation seems weak, reposition the buds or change silicone tips for a better seal and retest. Should problems persist, update firmware and restart your phone or Mac. This often fixes software glitches. As a last resort, reset the AirPods by holding the setup button for about 15 seconds, then repair. That usually resolves persistent issues and restores normal ANC function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.